So next here, t square minus 3 is a first polynomial. Here 2 into t to the power of 4 plus 3 t cube minus 2 t square minus 90 minus 12 is a second polynomial. Here it is, check in which case the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by first polynomial. So now we have to check whether it is a factor of second one or not. Now I am taking this as a p of x. Let p of x is equal to t to the power of 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12. Now I am taking the g of x as a t square minus 3. If it is the remainder is 0, then it is a g of x is a factor of divisor of p of x. So here it is a divisor, it is a dividend. So here we have to write the dividend. Dividend is 2 into t to the power of 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12. Divisor, we have to write the divisor. Divisor is a t square minus 3. Now the first term of the quotient will be to divide 2t to the power of 4 by t square. 2t to the power of 4 by t square, we will get 2t square. So 2t square is the first term of the quotient. Here 2t square. So 2t square multiply with the divisor t square minus 3. 2 into 1, 2, t square into t square, t to the power of 4. Minus into plus, minus 3 into 2, 6. 3 to the 6 and t square. So subtraction means we have to change the sign. Minus plus, these both will be cancelled. These two terms are different, so the t square are the like terms. Here 3t square t cube, here plus 6t square minus 2t square, we will get 4t square minus 90 minus 12. Now again the second term of the quotient will get 3t square, divide 3t square by t square, 3t cube by t square, we will get 3t. So 3t is the second term of the quotient. Now 3t multiply with the t square minus 3, plus into plus, plus t square into t, 3t cube, minus into plus, minus, here 3 into 3t, 90. Here the signs will be changed, minus plus, this both will be cancelled, 4t square. Here 90 plus minus 90 plus 90 will be cancelled, remaining is minus 12. The third term of the quotient will get divide 4t square by t square, 4t square by t square, we will get 4. 4 is the third term of the quotient. So 4 is multiplied with this one, 4 into t square, we will get 4t square, minus into plus, minus 3 4s are 12. Here the signs will be changed, minus plus. Here this both will be cancelled, minus 12 plus 12 also cancel. Here 0. 0 is the remainder. So here we got the remainder 0 when this p of x is divided by g of x. So here g of x is known as the divisor of the p of x. So therefore remainder is equal to 0 when p of x divided by g of x. So therefore we can write it as g of x is a factor of p of x. Second problem, let p of x is equal to 3x to the power of 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. G of x we have to take x square plus 3x plus 1. This is a divisor, this is a dividend. So here dividend means here 3x to the power of 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. So divisor x square plus 3x plus 1. Now how will you get the first term of the quotient? divide 3x to the power of 4 by x square. So 3x to the power of 4 by x square, we will get 3x square. 3x square is the first term of the quotient. So now we have to multiply 3x square with x square plus 3x plus 1. 3x square into x square, we will get 3x to the power of 4 plus into plus plus 3 into 3 9 x into x square x cube plus 1 plus into plus 1 into 3x square, we will get 3x square. Now we have to change the sign, minus minus minus, this both will be cancelled. 5x cube minus 9x cube, we will get minus 4x cube. Here both of minus, so minus 10x square plus 2x plus 2. Now the second term of the quotient, that is divided by minus 4x cube divided by x square. So minus 4x cube by x square, we will get minus 4x. Minus 4x is the second term of the quotient. Here minus 4x is the second term of the quotient. Now multiply minus 4x with x square plus 3x plus 1 plus into minus, we will get minus 4 into 1 4 x square into x cube plus into minus minus 3x into 4x, 3 4s are 12 x into x square plus 1 into this one, we will get minus 4x. The signs will be changed, plus plus plus. Here the both will be, it is a both of same but they are having the different sign, they will cancel. Here plus 12x cube minus 10x cube, we will get 2x square. Here plus 4x plus 2x 6x plus we will get plus 2 here. So now what is the third term of the quotient? Here 2x square divided by x square, 2x square by x square, we will get 2. 2 is the third term of the quotient plus 2. So now 2 is multiplied with x square plus 3x plus 1. 2 into x square, we will get 2x square plus 3x into 2, we will get 6x. Here plus 1 into 2, we will get 2. So change the sign, minus minus minus, the both are same but having the different sign, cancel. These two are same but having the different sign, these cancel. These two are same but having the different sign, they will cancel. Here we will get the 0. 0 is the remainder. So therefore here remainder is equal to 0 when p of x is divided by g of x. So therefore g of x is divisor or factor of p of x. So third one, let p of x is equal to x to the power of 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. So g of x means x cube minus 3x plus 1. Now divide p of x by g of x. So here it is a divisor, it is a dividend. So here we have to write the dividend here, x to the power of 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. Here divisor is x cube minus 3x plus 1. Now how will you get the first term of the quotient? It is x to the power of 5 divided by x cube. X to the power of 5 by x cube, we will get x square. X square is the first term of the quotient. So here x square is multiplied with this one. X square into x cube, we will get x to the power of 5. Here minus into plus into minus, minus 3 into 1 3, x into x square, we will get x cube plus into my plus 1 into x square, we will get x square. The signs will be changed. Here minus plus minus, these both will be cancelled. They both are same but having the different sign. Here x square minus x square also cancel. Here minus 4x cube plus 3x cube, we will get minus x cube plus 3x plus 1. Now second term of the quotient, we will get minus x cube by x cube, we will get minus 1. Minus 1 is the second term of the quotient. Here minus 1. This now minus 1 multiply with the x cube minus 3x plus 1. Minus into plus, minus x cube into 1 x cube, minus into minus plus 3 into x, 3x into 1 3x, plus into minus, minus 1 into 1, we will get 1. Here sign will change, plus minus plus, this both will be cancelled, these both will be cancelled, 1 plus 1 2. Here 2 is the remainder. Remainder is equal to, therefore remainder is equal to 2 when p of x is divided by g of x. So here remainder is 0, so it is a g of x is not a factor of p of x. So therefore g of x is not a factor of p of x. So here remainder is 2 when p of x is divided by g of x. If it is remainder is 0 when p of x is divided by g of x is a factor of p of x. But here remainder we got that 2, so it is a g of x is not a factor of p of x. Now third problem, obtain all other zeros of 3x to the power of 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. If 2 its zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. Now we have to find the remaining two zeros. For this one, let p of x is equal to 3x to the power of 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Now we have to find the, and also given the zeros of the p of x are root 5 by 3 comma minus root 5 by 3. Now I am taking the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. Now it is a alpha, it is a beta. Sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta, is equal to under root of 5 by 3 minus under root of 5 by 3, that equal to 0. The product of zeros alpha beta is equal to under root of 5 by 3 into minus under root of 5 by 3. We will get minus 5 by 3. So the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are under root of 5 by 3 comma minus root 5 by 3 is k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So that is equal to k into x square minus alpha plus beta 0 into x plus alpha beta, that is minus 5 by 3. So that is k into x square plus into minus 5 by 3. So here k into LCM is 3, so 3x square minus 5. So let k equal to 3, we will get 3x square minus 5. 3 will be cancelled, we will get 3x square minus 5. So this is the 3x square minus 5 is the factor of p of x. So we know 3x square minus 5 is a factor of p of x. Now divide 3x square minus, divide p of x by 3x square minus 5. So here it is a divisor, it is a dividend. So here what is the dividend? P of x. P of x is a 3x to the power of 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. The divisor is 3x square minus 5. Now the first term of the quotient, we will get 3x to the power of 4 by 3x square, we will get x square, 3 cancel, x to the power of 4 by x square means x square. So here x square into 3x square, 3x to the power of 4 plus into minus 5 into x square, 5x square. So here we have to write here 5 minus 5x square. Here change the sign, minus plus, this both will be cancelled. Remaining is 6x cube plus 5x square minus 2x square plus 3x square minus 10x minus 5. Now second term of the quotient, we will get 6x cube by 3x square, that is a 2x plus 2x. 2x is the second term of the quotient. Now 2x multiply this one. So 3 into 2, 6x square into x cube minus into plus minus 5 into 2x, we will get minus 10x. So change the sign, minus plus, these both will be cancelled, these both also cancelled. We will get 3x square minus 5. Again the third term of the quotient. So we will get here third term of the quotient, 3x square by 3x square, we will get 1. Here plus 1 is the third term of the quotient. 3x square into 1, 3x square minus 5 into 1 minus 5. Here the signs will be changed, the both will be cancelled, we will get the 0. So therefore the quotient is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. So here we have to write the, now we have to find the factors for this one. We will get 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1. 1 can be written as 1 comma 1. So 1 plus 1 we will get 2. So x plus 2x we can write it as x plus x. So x square plus x plus 1. So if you take the x common, we will get the x plus 1 plus 1 common, we will get the x plus 1. If both of them having the x plus 1, so we will get x plus 1 into x plus 1. So the quotient x square plus 2x plus 1 is 0 when x plus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0. So x plus 1 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to minus 1. Therefore the remaining zeros, the zeros of p of x are the both of them, the one is root 5 by 3 comma minus root 5 by 3, root 5 by 3 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. The fourth problem, on dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 plus 2 by a polynomial g of x, then we are getting the coefficient and remainders were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4. So for this one, let p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 and divisor, what is the divisor? G of x, already it is given, and quotient it is given x minus 2 and remainder is minus 2x plus 4. Here now I am taking q of x as a quotient, that is x minus 2. R of x I am taking as remainder minus 2x plus 4. We know that by the division algorithm we can write it as dividend. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is our division algorithm? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here p of x is a dividend, q of x, g of x is a divisor, q of x is a quotient, and r of x is a remainder. So dividend means p of x. P of x means here p of x is equal to divisor is g of x into quotient is q of x plus r of x. So r of x bring into left side. So p of x minus r of x is equal to g of x into q of x. So p of x means x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 2 minus of r of x means minus 2x plus 4 is equal to g of x into q of x. Here it is plus 2 and g of x, here it is a q of x means x minus 2. So here x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 plus into minus plus 2x minus into plus minus 4 is equal to g of x into x minus 2. So here x cube minus 3x square x plus 2x we will get 3x, 2 minus 4 we will get minus 2 is equal to g of x into x minus 2. From this x minus 2 is a multiple of the g of x. If you bring into left side it will be in the denominator. So g of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. So here x minus 2 is a divisor. Here it is a x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 is a dividend. So here dividend is x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. Here divisor is x minus 2. So now find the first term of the quotient. By doing x, divide x cube by x, we will get x square. X square is the first term of the quotient. Here we will get x square. X square is multiply with x minus 2. Then we will get x square into x, we will get x cube minus 2 into x square minus 2x square. We have to change the sign, minus plus, this both will be cancelled. We will get minus 3x square plus 2x square minus x square plus 3x minus 2. Next we have to find the second term of the quotient. For this one, x minus x square divided by x, we will get minus 1 minus x. So minus x multiply with the x minus 2, plus into minus x into x square minus into minus plus, here 2 into x we will get 2x. Now we have to change the sign, plus minus, these both will be cancelled, we will get x minus 2. Again now divide x by x we will get 1, we will get plus 1. Third term of the quotient is 1 is multiplied with the x minus 2, so x minus 2 we will get 0. So remainder is 0. Therefore we can write it as x square minus x plus 1 by, here x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2 is equal to x square minus x plus 1. Therefore g of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1.